Welcome back, students. We'll continue the story, The Big Race. When the race began, OC set off with a fantastic speed. It means he started the race with a great speed, and Morpho, who was slow, he was far behind him. And OC thought that Morpho will never be able to beat him. And he did not see that there was a big spider's web in front of him, and suddenly he flew straight into a sticky spider's web. He tried very hard to free himself, but he just could not. He dangled dangerously from the spider's web with no one to help him. Then he saw Morpho. "Help!" cried OC. "Morpho, please help me. Please come and free me from this web." Here, when OC was dangerously stuck in a spider's web, he tried too much to set him free, but he could not do it. And he was dangled. Dangled means hung loosely. He was simply dangled in the spider's web and tried too much hard to set himself free. And there he saw Morpho, who was crossing from there, and he asked for help, that "Morpho, please help me." And Morpho, he stopped there, but he said, Morpho said, "But if I stop to help you, I won't win the race." However, when Morpho saw how upset OC was, he felt very sorry for him. He knew he should stop and help OC even if it meant that he would lose the race. So he went to set OC free. Soon OC was free from the sticky web. "Now you can hurry off and win the race," said Morpho. Here, when Morpho saw that OC was dangerously stuck in the spider's web, he stopped there and said that if he would stop there to help him, in this case, it would be possible that he would not win the race. But he saw that OC was very sad and unhappy, as his life was in danger. You know that in a spider's web, it is possible that he would be eaten by anyone. And who is the anyone here? Spider. Yes. So he felt very sorry for him. And he knew that if he would stop there to help him, it is possible that he would lose the race. And OC will be the winner, as he was very fast. But he was very kind. He stopped there and helped OC to set him free. And then he said, "Now OC, you are free. You can hurry off and win the race." Then what happened? We see the crowd waited excitedly to see who would win the big race. Soon they saw OC and Morpho flying across the finishing line hand in hand. "It's a draw," they shouted. "No, it isn't," cried OC. "Morpho is the real winner today. He showed me that it is better to win a friend than win a race." Here, when Morpho set him free and said that OC, "Now you are free, you can win the race." But OC understood and did not say anything, and he took Morpho's hand and flew together with him. And then the crowd, who was waiting for the winner, they shouted that it was a draw. At that time, OC came forward and said that it was not a draw. Actually, Morpho emerged as the hero. He said that how Morpho taught him a lesson that day, that it is better to win a friend than win a race. Means we should never be overconfident about ourselves and never think that others are not as good. Help can come from someone we least expect it to come from. It means Ossie did not expect help from Morpho, but he stopped and won his heart. And here he understood that winning a race was not important. Actually, winning a friend is important. The lesson teaches us that we must try and help people whenever we get the chance. We must not be jealous of others.